Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to talk to you about indirect victims for U visa certification. U visa status is a status that's provided in the United States for those who are found to be victims of certain criminal activities. The list of the crimes is published in the instructions to the U visa application forms. But what's interesting is that not only direct victims, but also indirect victims may qualify for the U visa status. Indirect victims. So who are those people? First of all, of course, it's family members. It's certain family members. And which family members will qualify for the status will depend on the age of the direct victim. If direct victim was above 21 years old when the criminal activity, when he or she suffered harm, then the indirect victims may be spouse and unmarried children under 21 years old. If the direct victim was under 21 years old, the list of qualifying family members is broader. It can be spouse, unmarried children under 21, also parents, and also siblings, young siblings under 18, minors. Plus, that's not enough. Plus, the indirect victim has to also prove that direct victim could not cooperate and could not testify, assist law enforcement because he or she is deceased due to murder or manslaughter, incompetent or incapacitated, including due to injury, trauma, or age. And of course, the indirect victim has to qualify otherwise for the U visa status, meaning that a certification has to be signed for the indirect victim as well. What's important here is that it doesn't matter if direct victim is a citizen or not, or has or does not have a status. Okay, so for example, if we take a family where a daughter, let's say, suffered from a qualifying criminal activities, the daughter herself is a citizen, parents may qualify for the status. If, for example, the daughter was traumatized, injured, or due to age could not testify, could not assist the law enforcement. So that's very important. Now, another important thing about the U visa. U visa can be provided to those who qualify otherwise in connection with the criminal activity that when the crime occurs in the United States or when the United States laws are violated. So technically, even though rare, somebody who suffered because the laws of the United States were violated and the person is not in the United States may qualify for the U visa as well. And you can read more about the U visa qualifications and certification requirement on our website, www.shautsova.com.